Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Can I say how freaking amazing you guys are? Because my last video I said we were almost at 100 subscribers and within a couple days we were past that. So I want to say thank you guys so much. So if you are new, go ahead and subscribe, join our nail squad. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this bomb ass Gucci bling chain set. I don't even know what else to call it, but it's cute AF. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys. And you can make this for under $30, y'all. That's right. So for this set, I'm starting off with my extra long coffin tips. These are gel tips, which I get off of AliExpress for $5. So we're already at $5. Next up, I am using this Born Pretty polish. I don't have a number or a name for you because it didn't come with one, but this polish was like $2, so we're already at $7. But I'm going to apply one coat of polish on all of the nails, cure that in my lamp, and however my thumb, middle, and pinky are going to be accent fingers that have the transfer foil, so I'm only going to do one coat, and then on my index and my ring finger I'm going to do a second coat and cure that of polish. So for transfer foil, in this video I did use the Macart one, so that is a little bit more expensive, so you wouldn't quite hit that under $30 mark. But I do have a video up where I also feature the Born Pretty transfer glue and the Full Beauty transfer glue, and both of those are, I believe, under $2 or $3. So if you use one of those, then that will keep your cost down, but I happen to have this one out and handy, so this is what I'm using. But you can use any transfer foil glue, but just apply it and either cure it or dry it based on the instructions. So if you happen to have the Macart one, then that one you apply on and you have to cure in your lamp for at least a minute. This is the first transfer foil. Yes, the first. We are going to use two. And unfortunately, they come in separate boxes, which is why it's a little more pricey. But if you can find the foils individually, then it will be easier. But this one is just a floral Gucci print. So this one I'm putting on the middle, thumb, and pinky finger. So once my Macart foil glue has cured, I let it dry. Once it comes out the lamp, I let it like kind of cool down for at least 30 seconds to a minute. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the transfer foil on. I want some of the flowers to be on it, of course, because these flowers is so cute, but I do also want the Gucci print. So I'm kind of angling it a bit where they can both come on the nail, and especially for like the thumb and the middle finger, because those fingers tend to be a bit bigger, you get more print, whereas with the pinky, I think I kind of just stuck with whatever could fit because my pinkies are small. And this is what the set is looking like so far. It's super cute just like this, but we're not done yet. So moving on to the index and ring finger, I'm going back to my nail foil glue and applying it just towards like the upper half of the nail, because I'm going to go back in with a different Gucci print from a different transfer foil box. Each foil box is about $5 or $6. So let's say $6, $12 combined with our 7 from before is 19. So we're still under 20 at this point. But again, dry or cure the glue to the instructions, and then we're gonna apply on the Gucci print. So I forgot to show you guys this foil, but as you can see, it's just kind of like this, I guess, transparent, just plain Gucci print. So I'm putting that on the top of the nail. The only thing I would say is be careful, because what I find is even if you don't put the glue on the whole nail, because it's an uncured gel polish, like there's no top coat on it yet, it can still stick on. So that's my only thing. And you guys are going to see that happen with the next nail. And all I did was just kind of like wipe it off and then put a little bit more polish to kind of cover it up. But yeah, it definitely does happen. So just be careful. Or you can cut a smaller piece so that it's an exact fit of just the tip. And then we're about halfway at this point. So I'm going to take my matte top coat. This one is from Born Pretty, also about $2. So let's say three. Okay, so let's say we're at $22 now. But I'm going to apply top coat on all of the nails, but I'm going to take the index and ring finger, because while I still have the top coat, I'm also going to apply on my bling. So I'm just taking these clear flatback crystals. I get them off of AliExpress. I have had these for a while. They were about $2. I'm not sure if they're still $2, but I would say at most they're maybe $3 now. So let's say our total is $25. But we're going to use these and kind of put them in a curve, like a C curve under the Gucci print. So I'm just using my UV gem glue, which was less than $2. I think it was like $1.60 actually off AliExpress. And I'm just using the smallest size of those crystals that you saw and picking them up with my picker, dabbing the smallest amount so that way it doesn't poke through. And then I'm just going to apply them in a curve. I still don't know what it's called, a C curve. Yeah. Now it's time for the fun part. So this chain is off AliExpress. They come in a pack of 2 for like $2.50, you guys. So I'm just using a brush to apply on my gem glue, and I'm applying some directly onto the crystal itself of the chain, because that way it will stick on the best without me having to fill the nail with glue. So I'm putting it on my picker. I put the glue on, and then you have to use your finger because it is heavy to kind of hold it in place once you get it on the nail. And I ended up curing each nail separately. That way I didn't have to worry about the chain slipping off when like it was attached to both nails. So once you have one side of the chain onto the nail, cure it in your lamp. I like to cure for 2 minutes, and then you can go ahead and apply the other piece of the chain on the other nail. And you guys see, I put the nail back so it was on my stand, and I was just going to apply on the other chain, right? But the stand that I have is magnetic, so the chain kept sticking and I couldn't get it, like even if it sat on the nail properly, it would shift because the magnetic, the magnet would pull it. So you'll see me, I ended up having to take the nails off the magnetic stand in order for it to stick onto the nail properly, because it just, child, this magnet was pulling the chain in every which direction. And once you have it placed where you want, go ahead and curate your lamp for 2 minutes. And that's it, you guys. Look how cute this set is. Oh my goodness. Comment down below. Let me know. Did I do the damn thing? Would you guys wear this set? It's cute, right? Let me know. Let me know. Oh my gosh. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you haven't to join the nail squad. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.